Wait, don't touch anything. Hello, Yellow. How you guys doing? Next time try blonde hair. I'm scared because blonde is too bright. What if it doesn't suit me? What if it doesn't suit me? Untuk kama kando. Mengifuna ukumbona yazi. Bengizele yena enhleki. Na ngimbonanga. I still at the influencer house. Yeah. But not right now. Please don't mind my thumb. It doesn't want to come out. Who is your man? Nice that. What wasn't her saying? She's at the house. I'm at Farouk's place. Can you post on YouTube, please? Adam. Ek is lief vir jou. Ja. Ek lief jy. Yeah. Yeah. Not even gonna say much. I don't want to embarrass myself. Hi, Wena. So funny what you did. Why did you abort your child? Hey, Wena. Wena. Mwana man. Umfile mwana. Oh, wait, I still have my flat stomach. Don't do that to me. Why are you giving me a child? Don't do that to me. Do you do Afrikaans at school? I do isiZulu. So I live on the color. Laluma. When was the last time you spoke to Barolo? I don't know. It's been a long time. It's been a while. Where are you? My dad's here. What flavor is that? Berry and grape. Mishola, you don't have nails on. Yeah, I'm not gonna do nails anytime soon. Cause my pink my pinky is cut. I don't know if you guys can see.
Number 80. Let me start the video.
Yeah. So also this side. My nails are damaged. You guys can't see this side. But my nails are damaged. So I need to like wait a little bit. I just wanted to say you're too beautiful. Thank you.
Why? This is so it's full with him.
Yeah?
I don't want to open this thing.
Open what?
This thing.
Oh, but now I don't even know this game. It's that one. Do your 8 fingers, then use the pinky.
Yes.
I think your food is ready.
I'm sure it's.
What? Who are you talking to? Public's brother. Oh shit. Is that not affecting your health? We are fine, we all going to die, mind you.
Yeah?
Who's on that? Wife. How many brothers do you have? I have 4 brothers and 1 sister. I'm no longer the only daughter. Okay, I am the only daughter. From my mom's side. And that's what matters. I don't give a shit about my dad. Don't you like lashes? I do. How old is your sister? 1. She's 1. How could you say that about your dad? Even. Yo, wena nobuso benja. Woo! Umona. Umona. You never post her, right? Because she's still a baby. She's still a nana, so I can't. And my dad said I mustn't post her, so. What the fuck just happened? Wait, give me a second. Give me 2 minutes. South Africa. Ooh, wait. I'm back. Yes, please. Thank you. Why do I look weird? What was I talking about? Are you in the mansion? No. Is it true that you are at Guatemala? Yeah, it's true. Guatemala. I'm Guatemala. Undivumani. Ungubani. Who are you? You went to go change. No. Did you school at CPC? Zone Green, was it nice? What time? It was okay. Charles, are you in? My favorite house, guys. Lebu! Lebu Khan!
What's up?
Scave Truth. What's up? Ah. Do you understand, Jana? Is that TV? Yeah. I don't even know why I'm tired because I slept early. Woke up at 10. I slept around 10 p.m. Woke up at 10 a.m. Then I slept again at 12 p.m. Woke up at 4 p.m. I don't understand how I'm still tired. Where's Lily? She's in the kitchen. Wait, let me just dig it over. Try. Good, what's he fuck me? What did you just say? Say it again. Ramadan, what's he fuck me? say fuck you, pussy? When is that?
And I fuck you, pussy.
What?
And I fuck you, pussy. And I forgive
Huh? Sis, uphuma amathe, man. Sis. Hayi! Uhlekani? Yini into ehlekisayo? Suka la.
Pussy. This is you.
Hey, man. Hey! Yabona wangathanda abantwana, guys. Kodwa lapho nizothi ngisile njalo. Mr. T, she just said fuck me. This one. And she just said fuck me, pussy. This one.
I'll do it. I'll do with it.
Yes, thank you.
Let me give you that. So you can know.
You don't like kids when they peevish. Hey. Hey, man. Discipline her. Guys, she's not my child. Opera 10K. Ooh. Why are you telling I'm the child? Because, hey, bo. Unangekilo, shuluna 3. Shuluna 3 years. Ha! Fuck me. Hey. Looks like I'm naked. When are you going to drop a new song? Soon. Soon. Sicela ukungena. Ungena uphi? Ungena phi? The child was just kidding. That's wild. She learned from y'all. Who is y'all? Because I don't live here. This is my third time being here. I don't even know that child's name. What do you mean? Are you staying there? No. We just chilling. Everyone is just doing their own thing now. Label's in the kitchen.
The same one you always make clear.
I'm here.
Hello? The one
Why, hey, Nina, why nimbuza ngabantu eningangiboni ngabo? Nabo. Yeah. Why nimbuza ngabantu eningangiboni nabo? Voorin. Are you in Liverpool? But who? I mean, I'm literally at her house right now. So, you sleeping there? I don't know. You want to see them? Go to her profile. You'll see her. What? What?
Let's study.
Outside. Outside.
Yeah.
He's outside.
Kids.
Huh?
Kids.
Yeah. OOTD. You know I'm on my pink two-piece. How? What's wrong with you? You look mean to the kid. That child just said fuck me. And I'm a pussy. That child. Then she's gonna come back here and ask me about her dad. She just said fuck me. Pussy. Mina ngamnyisa umntanami. How Shem? How? Ngamnyisa Shem. Wafunde bulawa magama lawo. Wafunde bulawa magama lawo. At 3 years or 4 or 5. You are swearing such bombastic swear words. Ha. Yo. Call her. Who's the dad? What's the T? Why? Why what? But she's a child, you must teach her. Teach her what? The parents are there for that. Mina nginaphi? You're not sure about the child's age? No. But she's very short. She looks very young. Wasn't him saying she's at the mansion. She was the house in. Oh wow. Hey guys, now I'm tired. You are. It was nice talking to you guys. I'll see y'all.